Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name's Kyla and today's video I'm going to be showing you how to layer HTV vinyl with these colours here. So if that's something you're interested in, let's get into it. So we're going to start off by changing the size of him, and I'm going to do 7 centimeters in width because that's how big the glitter vinyl that I had in the picture was. And then we're going to go ahead and make it. So we're going to start off doing the glitter, and I'm going to put that onto its own mat. And then I'm going to do the jacket. So I'm going to cut that out and put it into the corner where I've put it on the design space mat. To move different layers to a different mat, you'll push the 3 dots, push move object, and move it to wherever on the mat that you would like it. Sorry, that was a little bit fast, but I'll show you again in the next layer. So we'll do the full black now. So push the 3 dots, move object, and push it onto the purple mat. And then put the material on the mat as well, and then do the same with the other layer. Sorry, this is very fast. So you can see we've got the 4 layers there. And now we're going to go ahead and cut the glitter vinyl. So we're going to select glitter iron on and just load the mat up. And now we're going to do the same for the other mat, and for that one we're going to change it to everyday iron on and then load that mat in as well. So that's what it will look like. So the 4 different layers all on the same mat. Being able to cut separate colours on the same mat is just a lot easier. And that's after it's been weeded. And we're going to get into making the actual shirt now. So I've got my EasyPress Mat and my EasyPress 2. I'm going to plug it in, and then I'm going to load it to 155 degrees Celsius for 30 seconds. And that's the colour of the shirt that I have. We're just going to get rid of all those wrinkles and preheat it for about 5 seconds on both sides. And then I'm going to find the centre by folding under the armpits and then ironing down to make a line. And I'm going to do it the other way as well by folding it in half and then making a crease through the other side of the shirt. Just makes it easier to know where the centre of the shirt is. And I'm going to start with the black because that's the first layer. So I put that down first and then I tack it on for about 5 seconds. And then we can peel that off. You'll have to just make sure that you follow the guidelines of the vinyl that you're using. So this one is a hot peel, which is good for me. We're going to go on the glitter layer and do the same thing. So tack it down for 5 seconds and then do a hot peel. Then the next layer, I was going to do the pinky purple jacket, but I think I just decided to do the blue part first because it was a little bit easier. And then that way I was able to do this layer as well as the eyeballs together so that it didn't have to be pressed as much. So again, 5 seconds. And then a hot peel. And then the last 2 layers, so the jacket and the eyeballs. Just got to cut these down so they don't get stuck together when you press them. And then with this layer again, I did 5 seconds. Oh, I did 6 seconds on that one. Must have lost track of time. And a hot peel again. And then I went ahead and pressed the whole thing again for 15 seconds. And that's the end result. If you liked this video, make sure you subscribe and push the like button, as it really helps me out. Comment down below what other kind of videos you would like to see, and I'll be happy to do those for you. Thanks for watching. Bye!